Hello guys, welcome back again. This is my second video on getting Google Play services in Honor devices or any other device which don't have Google Play service. And in my previous video I have shown you how to register the device or our mobile phone with Google and get Google Play services or Google Play Store and or every app that comes with a normal mobile which in which Google apps are pre-installed like Photos or Contacts, Dialer, Play Store, everything. And here is here I'm showing another video. Uh, in this, you are going to see a different method of getting Google Play services. First of all, we need to understand that Play Store or any other Google apps that need an environment called Play Services. Without Play Services, any of the Google app will not work. So first of our videos or first in our video, we are going to download such a similar interface like Play Services in our devices. So go into any browser, sorry, go into any browser, search for Advanced Manager. Go in here. This is a page advancedapp.com and click Advanced Manager. It will ask us to or prompt us to download or the download will automatically begin. In my case, I have downloaded it already. Here you see this is the Advanced Manager. Here the last option is Advanced Micro G. Micro G is a environment which is very similar to Google Play services. Like the services which a Google Play service give, this Micro G also gives the exact same service. And here I have installed this app already. Here you see this one is a Micro G, and here I have added an account. It is asking me to add another account, but I have already added an account. It is not showing right here. And after that, I have downloaded an app called YouTube Advanced, which is a very similar app or exactly the YouTube app. No, you will not see any difference between YouTube Advanced or your normal YouTube app. So I have installed it. Here I am going to show you that app. See here, this is normal YouTube and this one is a YouTube Advanced. I have downloaded from here. Sorry, I have downloaded from here. So I'm going to launch that app. Here this prompted, sorry, I have signed in here already. So my sign in credentials or sign, I have already signed into this app automatically. Here you can see our channel ID is channel email ID. So this one I have done already. So in this way, Micro G is acting like a medium or an interface that allowing us ported or other kind of Google apps which runs perfectly as Google apps. So here I'm going to show you um, what are the apps supported by Micro G. Google apps run with Micro G. Here is a link from Reddit. Here you see all these apps are supported by Micro G. Already these few apps down below are not working with Micro G like a Google Play Music, News, Games, Sheets, Slides, etc. But all the apps here are working with it. I have shown you already about YouTube. So stay tuned to my channel. I am going to upload another video of getting these services, or another another method of getting this play services into HONA device. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.